Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's training. We're going to take a look at Microsoft Word during this session. We're going to talk about the different keys and components and the different tools that I think may be helpful to you in your classroom or in your setting um, with the new rollout. M3, there are quite a few new apps in M365, and they also are cloud shared. For instance, if you're working on a document with someone, um, both people can work on that document and it's stored within the cloud. That's a little bit of a change than the past. There used to be one individual could work on it and have to email it or send it as an attachment for someone else to modify it in any direction or any purpose. Okay, the first tool we're going to look at in Word is going to be Dictate. It takes a lot of the work away from typing. You don't have to type anymore. You can just dictate and then see your dictation appear on the screen or in the document, and then go from there. You can go back and edit, you know, change grammar, spelling, things of that nature. So let's get started with that one. Um, Hello, my name is Eric Rogers. I am conducting today's training for Maxwell Middle Elementary School staff with the objective of having a understanding of how the tools in Microsoft Word can assist them and improve their work um, during the duty day. Thank you. Period. Okay, so there it is. Um, Typed out. As you can see, there's some errors in there, but you can go back and always do grammatical check and spelling check and take care of that. So I typed this out using Dictate. Now I want to send it. Well, first of all, I want to send it to someone. Okay, so I'll highlight it, and there's two ways to do this. One would be to share it from file here, and you can also share with people. Or you can go right here in this blue box, click on it, type in that person's email, put a message with it beneath that, and send it. All right, too easy, too easy. And once you send it, you can continue to work on that document. All right. For in the past, we had to save the document as a PDF or Word, and then open the email and then send it as an attachment. But now with Microsoft, the new Word document style, it's easy and it cuts down on time. So I just sent that email, and let's just say I want to send it to a friend of mine who lives in Germany. Okay. So I highlight, click, translate. All right, and that friend speaks German, and I've already pre loaded this, so you can see it's in German. If I want to appear on the screen in German, all I would have to do is hit insert, and it would be German on the screen. All right, too easy. Once again, okay. Now, the font. I'm older, and I'm sure everyone is getting older, but small font bothers me. So I like my font to be large when I do typing. So what you need to, in order to get the font larger and simple on the keyboard, you'll push Shift, Control, greater than, and the font increases in size. Okay. Now, if I want to insert, say, an add-in into the document, you go right there to Insert, type in your add-in, and just click add, and it drops it in there. You can they have different ones on this side, but you can also type in the box once again and have different selection of add-ins for the document. And let's say this document in the cloud we're both working on, I'm working on with someone else, and I've got to leave and go to lunch, but I need to leave a note on where they need to start or stop. You can click new comment and just type in there. Um, all right. I will be back from lunch, continue working, and they'll be working on their part of this document, whatever it may be. It may be a staff training. It could be a presentation, but you can do this, hit send, all right? And when they open the document, they can go right there and it'll be stored in there. All right. Very easy, very simple. Okay, so let's just look across the top of this. So not much has changed, but like I said, it's a little bit easier. You can insert different things. We looked at that. Page layout, fairly familiar with everyone. References, same thing. You can review the document. Okay. Word, check accessibility, translate. All right. Um, view the document from this standpoint here also. Okay. So you have a different view, the reading view. Okay. Makes it bolder, makes it bigger, easily seen. Okay. All right. I want to show one more aspect of what we're doing here that I find to be very, very relevant within this resource too. All right. For instance, if I type in college football, I can highlight this, right click, go to synonym, and there it will pull up a link or different usable material that you can add into a document. All right. College football was one. Let's say bees, because sometimes it'll pull up photos. Okay, like this one. All right. So I think that's very important also. You can link to that article or you can use that information within your resource and move forward. Um, very helpful, very easy to utilize. Um, I'm enjoying it, and thank you for attending today's training. Bye for now.